In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files in Google Sheets with Filedrop. Start by opening the Google Sheet where you want to collect or share files. Once your spreadsheet is open, go to the top menu and click Add-ons. From there, choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can install tools that connect directly to Google Sheets. In the search bar, type Highlight, then look through the results and click Filedrop. On the Filedrop page, click Install. Google will ask you to review and approve permissions so the add-on can work inside your spreadsheet. When you see the prompt, click Continue. If Google asks you to choose an account, select the one you use with Google Sheets. Then follow the permission screens by clicking Continue again. Take a moment to read what is being requested, since this is where you confirm the add-on can run and interact with your file. After the installation finishes, return to your spreadsheet. You may see a setup flow. Click Next, then click Complete Additional Setup Now. This helps finalize the connection, so Filedrop appears correctly in your Sheets menu. If an additional confirmation screen appears, follow along and accept the prompts so the setup can complete. Now you are ready to open Filedrop from inside Google Sheets. Go to the top menu again and click Extensions. In the Extensions list, find and click Filedrop. This is where you access the Filedrop tools without leaving your spreadsheet. At this point, you may be asked to type in a field as part of the Filedrop setup. Enter the requested information as shown in the add-on window, then return to the spreadsheet. After that, click Extensions one more time and select Start Filedrop. This launches Filedrop so you can begin using it to share files through your Google Sheet. Once Filedrop is started, you can continue working with your spreadsheet while the add-on provides the file sharing and collection features it is designed for. That covers everything you need to know.